Welcome to C programming tutorial. Today we will show you a project that is on creating a calculator, that is write a program that calculates two numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with any of the data types. So let's go to our code blocks. So this is the code blocks. First of all, we need to create a variable. We have to take two variables as in the project description. It says that two numbers, one is A and another is B, and then we will take the scanner input, scanf, that is percentage of D, comma, and A, and to identify what I will take, we need to comment out that enter first number. Then with the same pattern we have to take the second number, just overwrite it or update it with B. And now the thing is, we need to create the addition, subtraction and division and multiplication including the print. So let's do it. Printf addition, it will be percentage of D, specifier from a specifier, and that will be A plus B. Let's copy the codes for the rest of the part. Okay, so this will be for the subtraction, 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 give the subtraction sign minus, and this one will be for the multiplication sign, multiplication, and give the multiplication sign as multiply as asterisk sign, and for the division as the hash not slash sign. And for the new line we need to give slash n after the percentage of D. It will create a new line between the sentences. So now let's print the number. So we need to first input the first number. Let the first number be 25 and the second number be 50, and so the addition is 75, subtraction is minus 25, multiplication 125, and the division is 0. Now we can run the format. Let's give first number as 50 and the second number is 36, the addition is 86, subtraction 14, multiplication 1800, and division is 1. So this is the project. Hope you like the project. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.